Hi viewers, how are you? Believe there is good in the world. Rock painting. We are coming another new video and unique ideas for rock painting, pebble art painting. You are watching the how to create pebbles painting and decoration. You can decorate different ideas on the stones, rocks, and pebbles art. You are watching new and easy simple ideas. You can create your thinking on the rocks. You are watching the cartoon characters for kids. You are watching different colors and different ideas. You are watching puzzle game on the rocks. You are watching different faces painting on the rocks. You are watching the single eye painting on the rocks. You are watching another idea. You are watching different ideas painting on the rocks. You are watching cactus plant painting on the rock. You are watching a rock decorate with the paper flower. You are watching pet rocks for kids. Simple, easy idea. The kids can make it easy. You are watching the cook made with painting on the rocks. You are watching a cartoon character make with paint on the rocks. You are watching don't stress, do your good. You are watching different species of cactus plants painting on the rocks. You are watching the ovals painting on the rocks. You are watching the message I get knocked. You are watching another idea painted on the rock. You are watching the garden decoration with rocks. You are watching the beautiful idea. You are watching different design and flowers painting on the rocks. You are watching the rock nest monster snake painting on the rock. You are watching love expression painting on the rocks. You are watching the monsters painting on the rocks. You are watching the white theme, different messages and characters. You are watching the smileys painted on the rocks. You are watching different colors and designs, multi shade. You are watching the towers